Yo, travelers, tired of stressful trip planning? Google Gemini's got you covered, handling flights, hotels, and more with AI magic. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech tips. Let's dive into planning your dream vacation with Gemini. We're showing you how Google Gemini makes trip planning a breeze. From finding cheap flights to booking hotels, this AI does it all in minutes. Ready to plan your next getaway without the hassle? Keep watching. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Click Chat with Gemini and sign in. Head to the left sidebar, click Settings, then Extensions, and toggle on Google Flights to unlock flight search powers. This sets Gemini up to plan your trip like a pro. Back in the Gemini chat, type a specific query like, suggest the most economical flights for 2 from London to Edinburgh in June or July. Hit Enter, and Gemini delivers a list of options. Review the flights, then ask, suggest a hotel that aligns with my flight schedule. Gemini will pull hotel info tailored to your trip, saving you hours of searching. Want to organize it all? Ask Gemini, structure this info for Google Sheets. It'll format your flight and hotel details for easy copying. Click Export to Sheets, and when the notification pops up, hit Open Sheet to view your full-fledged vacation plan in a spreadsheet. It's that simple. Google Gemini takes the stress out of trip planning, using AI to find flights and hotels fast while keeping everything organized. Whether it's a family vacation or a quick getaway, Gemini's your travel buddy. Try it today. What's your next destination? Drop it below. That's the scoop on planning trips with Google Gemini. Are you hyped to book flights or export your itinerary to Sheets? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love these tips, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides.